The way we built the DorSound in the spaceship, the doors that goes through every airlock and then go into the different rooms where you can find the enemies and finish the game, are controlled by a blueprint, the blueprint of the door. To find it, you need to go into the content again and search just for the main general folder of content, search for door, and you'll see that there is a door underscore A underscore blueprint. And if you double click it will open the blueprint of the door. And because there's not a lot of time to program everything, all you need to know from this blueprint is that what you see, if you exclude this one and this one, which are two fmod events, what was already designed as the automation for the door. When you get closer to the door, you will enter a collision, a trigger box that is conveniently placed at the door, and that would have triggered the animation where the door goes up and goes down. So all we need is use this node here called play event attached. Another way of playing sounds in Unreal with fmod by using an event that is attached to a component. In this case we took the mesh of the door small and we attached to it this audio component. In this particular part here we added the event. So all you need to do is to come here and add your door sound event. The other sound that we added is the door close. So we basically have two sounds, the door open and the door close. So what does that mean for us in fmod? In my fmod I create an interactable folder where I have all these objects that could be interactable, like the swords or in this case the door. The door contains a closed sound and an open sound. Let's look at the open sound first. It simply is a one-shot sound with no loops, where you can have just the sound of opening, and in the same thing for the closing sound. But what I did is that I added another track to it, and I added this thing, which is a command instrument. What does the command instrument do? If you select it, you go down in the dock and you see that you can choose a command to something else. So I asked in the door open sound event, I asked it to stop an event as a function. You choose from the following function, and which event? The door close. Why did I do that? Because if a player goes in, the door will open, but then if he goes out, the door will close. And if you do that too quickly, and I'm opening the door, this is my sound of opening the door, and I changed my mind, I went backwards, the sound of the open door will still go. Instead, if from the closing door you add a command saying turn off the door open event, that will help us to make it seamless. That's about it. Every door has it, and that's it.